Monday, officials confirmed the first human death of the bird flu. It happened in Louisiana.
Our Jalen Banks spoke with the Wisconsin Department of Health Services on the steps to keep folks here in Wisconsin safe. Jalen.
Eric and Susan, U.S. agencies have been monitoring the bird flu for 25 years, and not until recently have we seen human contractions in the U.S. And speaking to some experts, there is some cause for concern. The first confirmed case of the bird flu in Wisconsin was on December 18th, 2024. This was the same day officials announced the hospitalization of the individual in Louisiana suffering from severe symptoms, who would eventually die from the infection on Monday. Speaking with one expert from UW-Madison, they say the handling of the virus so far is an area of concern.
There isn't enough emphasis on surveillance and research on these viruses. And what's it going to take to get this federal money? Is it going to take one death? Is it going to take a dozen deaths, 50 deaths? What's the threshold that they're going to start taking this seriously? We would hate to stay with that same philosophy and something bad or devastating happen.
Speaking with the Wisconsin Department of Health Services, they are taking steps to prevent this from becoming a wider problem in Wisconsin.
Working very closely with the Department of Agriculture, Trade, and Consumer Protection. They're the ones who usually get the first notice of anything that might be going on at a farm, whether it's a poultry farm that would result in significant death to the birds, or if it's a cattle farm, a dairy farm.
DHS also says there is a recent emphasis on human monitoring as well.
That's one of the things we're looking at very closely is potential human-to-human transmission. When we do have cases like this, once they're tested, we go out and do what we call contact tracing. We want to know if anyone else has been sick too. If they have been sick, that they have exposure to an infected poultry farm or infected cattle farm.
For more of our reporting on the bird flu here in Wisconsin, you can find it on our website at channel3000.com.